In this video, I will show you how to create an X or a Twitter community. Now, the first thing is to tap your profile picture above here to access this slide menu, where you can then start creating your X community through this community icon. And as you can see, you need to enter the community name, then the membership type, and also the community purpose and approval question, which are optional, and your community will be ready. And after creating your Twitter community, you can go on to personalize your community, share it, and invite members. And if you go to community settings, you can also personalize and manage your community, including setting rules and choosing moderators. And on your community, you can create posts, see your community info, and also see your existing media and posts. And through these three dots, you can leave your community or perform these other tasks. And if you go to communities and feed, you should be able to see your community. And to delete your X community, you need first to access your X account through web, then go to your community. And on admin tools, you need to go to community management, and under settings, you should be able to delete your community down here. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on X or Twitter and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.